Hello and welcome to the channel. Is Outlook slowing you down, crashing non-stop? Well, you're not alone, and I probably have the fix for you. So stick around because this quick solution can make Outlook go back to normal. First, click on Start and type Outlook and select Outlook Classic. Once Outlook opens, go to File, then go to Account Settings, and then select the account that you want to modify. Click on Change, and you will see here that the default setting is 1 year, which means that 1 year of email will be cached on your computer. For someone who does not have to send and receive email daily, this is not a big deal. But for somebody who receives thousands of email a day, it's going to be hectic. So I recommend you move it down to 3 months and select Next, and done. That's it. By doing this, Outlook will only cache the last 3 months of emails on your computer, which keeps the local data file smaller and far less likely to get corrupted. However, if you want to see emails that are older than 3 months, you can always click here on this link that says click here to view more on Microsoft Exchange. You click there and older emails will be displayed.
Haha, finally! It's fixed! It is working perfectly now.
I only hope this will be your reaction at the end of this video, and if it was, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have yourself a great day.